Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at the Sky Wooler wool sneakers from a Swiss brand called Baabuk. These sneakers are made in Portugal and the size I have here is the European 43 and in the black edition color. The lovely people at Baabuk did send me these in for a review, but my thoughts and opinions are my own. Let's start with the fit and feel. I previously reviewed a pair of similar wool sneakers from a brand called Allbirds, and in those I wore a size 10. I believe that this is a US size 10 according to Baabuk's site. The EU 43 corresponds to a US size 10, so the sizing is very similar between them. I also wear a size 9.5 or a size 10 in Nike sneakers, and that is a US 10 in Adidas sneakers. The Allbirds have a slightly spongier sole and are a little bit more contoured and angled on the sole, whereas these Baabuk shoes are more of a traditional Converse-like rubber sneaker sole that's much flatter and less molded. This means that, at least to me, the Allbirds feel slightly more comfortable when you first put them on because of the shape and the sponginess. But these Baabuk shoes take a little bit more time to break in, and after wearing them for a few weeks, they have become more and more comfortable as they've broken in. These Baabuk shoes are a little bit thicker and more padded too. I believe that is because this line, the Sky Wooler, is designed to be more of a winter shoe and thus adapted to a cooler weather. And since it has been winter here in Australia during my review, I've been able to test it in temperatures down to about 6 degrees Celsius, which is 42 degrees Fahrenheit. I think that they will be very comfortable and warm for a wide variety of temperatures, especially if you pair it with a nice pair of merino wool socks. Now these shoes aren't really waterproof, nor are they water resistant, and you can see that the water soaks in here. But they should dry reasonably quickly, and they are made of wool, and so they are naturally antimicrobial, which means they won't smell bad even after wearing them all day. These shoes come with an interesting elastic lacing system too, which makes it very easy, quick and convenient to slip on and off, yet still remain feeling secure and comfortable. The grip on the bottom of these is also a lot better than the Allbirds in my opinion. The Allbirds grip is nearly smooth and wears out very quickly, and I have felt like I've slipped a lot more in the Allbirds. These Baabuk though have a nice traditional rubber grip, much like the old Converse shoes, and they feel a lot more grippy in more situations. Finally, the cost is 119 euros or about 190 Australian or 140 US dollars, and that is a little bit more expensive than the Allbirds comparable shoes style, but I feel like these are a lot higher quality. They use a thicker wool, and I feel like these will last longer and will stay in good shape. Whereas you can see here the Allbirds have lost a lot of the shape and actually look quite ugly after wearing them in. Overall, I feel these are a really great pair of wool sneakers that would make a great warm and comfortable addition to your winter outfit. They're well made, durable, and come in many sizes and colors and many designs. If it were to be your only pair of shoes for traveling though, I might go with a less winter-focused pair, and there are many other styles available on the website. So I do recommend checking out the website to see all of those. Please do leave a comment below what you thought about these shoes, and let me know what are your favorite shoes for traveling. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.